They have to start even. And they're off. And actually look like the Torpedoes had kind of like a rolling start. Sweetwater, it's like they're even. And the Torpedoes are already starting to turn around. And following Sugar Sweet. And Torpedo is already straightened out. Sugar Sweet now straightened out.
Got it.
And Torpedo.
Well, you haven't seen it yet. You know why I never have got any circuits, so it takes a little bit of time.
Is in the lead.
Got it?
And looks like just to the right of there, we have the safety floating just aside the race. The Mare Island Brewing Company Torpedoes are rowing in for a win.
I wonder how many beers they got. Those are from the Brewing over here. That's why I said I wonder how many they got.
Right behind his head.
And the Mare Island Brewing Company Torpedoes finish the race. Between them and the C&H Sugar Sweet Rowing Company.
Are you on that dog? No. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just helping you stay along here. Out of the race lane.
And so that finishes race 2. And here shortly, we'll head down to